Kasi we're not really biased na for the sake na makabenta lang kami, but rather we give value and the best interest sa mga client. So, in addition, pag secondary market din pala, normally cash payment or deferred payment, no? Kaya kapag secondary market pa talaga, dapat may readily available kang cash.
So, ayun nga, parang it really depends on the client, the cash flow, the kumbaga financial situation of the client. That's why kami, we really try to advise or parang
we're acting as an advisor,
yeah.
Advisor to them na kung anong ba yung best fit for them.
You,
kumbaga, would it be for primary market or for secondary market?